Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a Mazda MX5. Sorry if the scene's a little bit rushed today. It's just that we've got probably about 3 installs we've got to get crack on with. I'll just zoom in for you for the video so you can see there. This is the CarPlay side of things, which is wireless. Also has wireless Android Auto if you're an Android phone user. But this is ultimately the Android 12 system, which has got the built-in CarPlay and Android Auto built onto it. So it's obviously best of both worlds. As you can see, there's applications from my phone. Just go back to there. This is the home page. So as you can see, this is a new updated UI. It looks really groovy, to be honest with you, where you can have your maps in there and your home page and stuff like that. So obviously you can put your own applications on the front on the home page there, so you can put your shortcuts there if you wish. That there is just going into a file manager app, which basically we've got something plugged into the USB. If I just take it back to there, 1 second. Back to the home page there. So you can add your own applications onto it here if you wish. So as you can see, a lot of the back-end applications here, you can choose one to add onto the home page to make it nice easy for you in terms of going to your shortcuts. So if you want to go to applications, where are we now? 1 second. No, let's choose that one there. So we'll put CarPlay on there. So if you want to go into your back-end settings here, here's all your applications which go into the, as I say, the back-end. As you can see here, it's got touch assist and Play Store and stuff like that, FM, AM radio. You can add stuff on here like DAB radio if you wish. This one here shows you some cars information there, as you can see. Nice little touch on there. So we'll just go back one. TPMS, so the car hasn't got it installed today, so obviously it's not going to work. 1 second. Okay, so you're probably familiar with quite a lot of our videos from the past anyway, so let me just show you the radio. 1 second. So as you can see, it's the radio.
Today's cash register amount is 100.
It works with the steering wheel controls, up and down, and changing these radio stations there on the other button. Oh, sorry, my video is a little bit off because I'm using a phone today. Show you a couple of other seconds. There's your Bluetooth there. You can play movies or your albums on a pen drive. Do it that way there. Back end settings, show you a lot of here. So okay, I'll just keep it today short today, guys. So apologies on that one there, but I'm going to crack on to the next install. And have a nice day. And if you got any questions, get in touch with you. Just contact details down below in the description, and we'll put the link into the product. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.